Okay guys, so hello everyone, please welcome to my channel Tech Boss, and without wasting any time, let us begin today's tech news episode number 9. Okay guys, so our first news coming from Samsung is that their Fold 2, which was supposed to be released in August, it will be releasing in August, and from June onwards it is going to be in the manufacturing. Means the phone will start its manufacture from June and the release date is supposed to be around the mid of August. So guys, let's see. Okay guys, so our next news coming from Samsung is that Samsung's new model S20 Ultra have just received an update of their autofocus. So if you have the S20 Ultra model in your hand, then you can update to get the new features, and of course the autofocus issue absolutely fixed. So guys, let us move to our next news. Okay guys, some news coming from Asus is that their new model Asus 7Z is going to be releasing very soon in August, and the specifications are that this phone is going to come on Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, which is the latest from Snapdragon. So guys, let's see. When that phone comes, you are going to know everything in my channel in details. So guys, let us move on to our next news. So another news coming from Asus is that their ROG Phone 3 is releasing in September, and the important part is that this is going to be the first model or the first smartphone that will come on 865 plus chipset from Qualcomm Snapdragon. So guys, let's see. When that phone comes, I will be updating you all with the details and the specifications. So guys, please stay tuned for that. Some news coming is that the Samsung's Galaxy S20 Ultra has been marked the best smartphone until now in 2020. It has overcome some tough competitors such as Huawei P40 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max and some others. So if you are a S20 Ultra user, you must be very proud about it. Okay guys, the OnePlus 8 series launch is going to be happening tomorrow, and in Indian time 8:30 p.m. you can watch the watch event absolutely live from the OnePlus community app. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store on your iPhone. You can download it, or if you have the app, you can open the app from 8 p.m. onwards and you will watch the live event from 8:30 p.m. So guys, let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, so some news coming from Xiaomi is that after their Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro, now the company have decided to bring out their light version of these models, that is Mi 10 Lite. The specifications have come out is that it is going to be having a 6.47 inches of AMOLED screen along with 4000 to 4500 milliamperes of battery and 64 megapixels of quad camera setup at the back. So as soon as I get more specifications of this model, I will be updating you all. Okay guys, so by this news we just came to the end of today's tech news. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Then please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tech Boss if you haven't done it yet. And guys, have a fantastic day, alright?